Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to read Surah Al-Fatiha. This is the first surah in Quran, and we'll try to memorize the Surah Al-Fatiha. I'm using the Musaf Al-Hifz Al-Muyassar. Maybe you can find it any other Musaf. The point is, as long as you can read it, so that's it. You can memorize it. You can memorizing the surah. Is it easy or hard? I think it is dependent on your activity. As long as you read it, then inshallah you'll memorize it. You can memorize it. Okay, we started to read it first now from the first ayah. I'm not going to read with the beautiful sounds like any other Qari, it's like Mr. Rashid or Summers like that, because they're different things. So what I'm going to try to read is just an ordinary recitation. Okay, let us begin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Okay, actually when we read the first ayah, we could find the similarity of the words. For example, Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim. Here we could find the same word, Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. So actually, when we read the first ayah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, it means that we have already being told by Quran that is the next word you are going to read is the same word with the first ayah. So it's going to be easier. Why? Because this is the same ayah. Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, and then the next ayah, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. There are no similarity here, but then the next ayah, next word, we could find same word, Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. And then next, Maliki Yawmiddin. There are no similarity here. That's different. Next, iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka. Iyyaka and wa iyyaka. The difference is only one word, one huruf. Iyyaka followed by na'budu. And the next one is wa iyyaka. Iyyaka and iyyaka, it means same, similarity. It is very easy. So in every chapter, in every single page, you will see the similarity of ayah, of word in Quran, inshallah. Even it is only one single huruf, one single harf. That's the similarity. In Quran we'll find the repetition. Memorizing Quran means you have to repeat it over and over again. You'll get it, and you will find the similarity. We could find the color of this word with the yellow. Anyway, you can write it down on your own with paper or special notes or book to write it on your book to memorize it. Okay, next. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Here we could find the same color here, and of course with the same word. The pronunciation is they have the similarity. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Sirata. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladina an'amta alayhim. With the blue color here, we could find the same word also, alayhim. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. You see, so it is enough for us just to imagine the similarity of this word, the ayah, and you could find on every single page of Quran, inshallah, you will get more easier to memorize it. Okay, we repeat it again. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Amen. So that's for the Al-Fatiha. This is the first surah in Quran. And then next, we're going to the next surah. This is the longest surah in Quran, which is called Al-Baqarah. Let's see. Here we could find the same color also, and then that's how we learn to memorize it, with the similarity of this word. I'm not going to explaining about the tajweed, about the huruf, something like that, because there's different chapter that is special. You have to learn about harf hijaiyah from alif to ya. You have to learn about any any science knowledge about the how to read Quran. That's different session, I think. In this video, I would just like to share with you about how to memorize Quran. Okay, next. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif Lam Mim. ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون والذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك وبالآخرة هم يوقنون أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون. Okay, let's see where is the key from this pages, from this chapter. I'm not really good on Arabic language, but inshallah, if you learn a little bit about Arabic language, especially about Quran language, Quran is Arabic, but different with Arabic language. It's hard for me to say because we are not, we are non-Arabic people. So let's start with the Alif Lam Mim. Some people say it's a number, so you have to read a little bit longer than the usual. You can learn about this with the other person who know a lot about the tajweed, of course. Okay, next. ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين. What is this mean? What is the meaning of muttaqin here? In the next ayah, but we are not going to learn about Arabic language. We just try to imagine what is the structure of the ayah, what is the structure of the surah, and then we can combine it, and then that's it. Inshallah, we will memorize it. It is dependent on your repetition. The more you read it, then the more you'll get memorize it. It is depend on us how often we read it, because no matter how good your knowledge is about Quran, about Arabic, but you never read it, and no, you will not get memorize it. You cannot memorize it. The most important is you just read it over and over and over again. Just read it all the time. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif Lam Mim. Dzalikal kitabu la rayba fihi hudan lil muttaqin alladzina yu'minuna bil ghaibi wa yuqimuna الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون والذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك وبالآخرة هم يوقنون أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون. تفلحون. Okay, I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. And if you have any comments, just write it below. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.